all you paneer lovers out there, I have yet another recipe for you. And that is an Asian appetizer which is very simple to make. So let's see the recipe for Bang Paneer. The first process is to batter fry the paneer, for which I have 300 grams of paneer here that I'm going to cut into 3/4 inch pieces. Now let's make the batter. I have 1/3 cup of corn flour over here. I'm going to add in some water, give it a mix. The slurry is ready, and also over here I have some breadcrumbs. Just dip the paneer cube in the batter and roll it in breadcrumbs. The paneer cubes are nicely coated and ready to fry. So I'm going to heat a pan of oil here. I have a few cashew nuts that I've slit into half, and before frying the paneer, I'm just going to lightly fry them. Just swirl them around so we get a uniform color. These are done. Get them out. Let's fry the paneer cubes. We need to lightly fry the paneer till the coating is just cooked. Let's get it out. Time to quickly toss a few ingredients in a pan. So let's heat a tablespoon of oil. Turn on the flame. Saute 2 tablespoons of garlic, half a cup of capsicum, 1 onion cut into pieces, 2 green chilies sliced. Let's quickly stir fry all these vegetables just for a minute. Turn off the flame. The paneer cubes are fried and ready, the vegetables are stir fried, and now the last bit of the recipe, which is to make the sauce. So let's quickly mix a few ingredients. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of hung curd, a teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, a tablespoon of soy sauce, salt to taste. Just in case, if you decide to make this recipe and you do not have hung curd, you can always add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Let's add in the vegetables, paneer cubes. Very carefully toss everything together. Let's plate these. Garnish them with a few spring onion greens, few cashew nuts. Keep the paneer, vegetables and the sauce separately. Just before you're ready to serve, toss everything together. This is a quick fix to satisfy your Asian or your paneer cravings. Do try this recipe on your next game night or party and let me know how it turned out. Comment below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.